Hello everyone, my name is Mayuresh Joshi from Office365notes.com. In today's video, we will going to see how we can create a scrolling text in PowerApps. Let me show you the final output. Here you can see that the scrolling text is coming from right to the left. Similarly, we will do it in our PowerApps. So this is my blank screen. We will make use of a timer control to adjust the X position of a label. And now let me add the label control over here. Let me make its height font size as 18 and let me add some text over here. Okay, I'll keep it as bold. Yeah. Now, uh, our output is our requirement is to make this exposition dynamic. So if you see that if we change the exposition, it will start changing its position. So similarly, we have to make this exposition dynamic. To do that, let's define some variable over here, a context variable. I'll make it as var x label, and then we will update this label on timer end. Keep the timer duration as 10 millisecond, repeat on and auto start on. Then in the on timer end event, the reason behind keeping the repeat and auto start on is that we continuously need to change the X position of this label. Now on timer end will update our context variable, which was variable X, let's say by 10 pixels every time whenever the timer gets end. So you can see that it is moving. But the problem is that once this text goes beyond the screen, it is not going to come from here again. So to do that, we will have to put some condition over here. So what we will do, we'll put a condition if that variable's value goes beyond screen width, screen one dot width. We will start from zero position. That means from here. Otherwise, we will just increase the value by 10 pixels. So let's see now. Yeah, but if you see the problem over here is it's not starting from the last um, characters. It's starting from directly here. Okay, it should come from this position, right? So to do that, we have to make one modification. Firstly, you have to adjust this uh, label width to the characters width exactly so that it should not be too much white space over there. And to make that dynamic, we will update this width parameter as length of self.text and multiply it by some number. So you have to find this number. So it should be around your font size, near around font size. Okay. So for now, I think 13 is the best. For example, if you change the text value now, this will keep increasing. So now we have to change this X position. So for example, if this X position goes beyond this screen width, we have to start from minus of its width, right? Instead of zero. So to do that, we will use label 4 dot width and that too with the minus sign. Now let's see. Yeah, you can see that it's now coming properly. Now, if you need to adjust this from right to the left, you have to make some modification in this formula. In that case, um, we have to decrease the label value, okay, by minus 10 pixels so that it will keep moving to the left, not to the right. And also, instead of checking this variable value with the screen width, we have to check if that value goes beyond the width of the uh, uh, self, that means the label. So instead of that, we will make this as label dot width, and this will be the screen dot width. Let me explain you why I have used this. And this will be minus because this var label is going to decrease by -10, and once this goes beyond the screen width and beyond the length of the self label, at that time we have to start its position from screen 1 dot width. That means it will come from this position, extreme right of the screen. And if the width is not greater than label 4 dot width, we will just decrease its width by -10. Now let's see. So if you can see now, it's moving from right to the left, and as soon as it's complete here, it is coming from the right. Let me explain you the formula one more time. So basically on timer end, we are updating the var x label value by -10. So it keeps on decreasing. So if it goes uh, below 0 and below the self dot width, means entire text is completed scrolling now. Now in that case, we have to start its position from the screen dot width, that means from this point. Otherwise, we'll just decrease by 10 pixels. So this is how our output will come. Now to make this marquee text more better, we can also add one a fixed width background over there. So let me add that. I'll use the rectangle over there. The height of the rectangle would be 60 and Y position will be 243. X would be 0 and width would be app dot width. That means the full width. And we have to send this to the back. Also, the label would be white colored. Now this looks more awesome. So in this way, we can achieve the scrolling text in Power Apps. If you want to increase or decrease the speed of this marquee text, you can always change this duration, or you can also update this value. So if I make it -20, it would be much faster. And if I decrease this value, it would be slower. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. And finally, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. I'll keep posting the similar videos related to Power Apps and SharePoint on this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.